Welcome to Full On Bar. In this session, we open the must-know sessions reference deck for Info LN 10.8, the power user shortcut to every session code that matters. We will decode the LN session naming convention, then walk module by module, common, sales, purchase, warehousing, manufacturing, financials, service, and tools so you can open the right screen at the right moment. By the end, you will have a working mental map of LN sessions you can use every single day. Let us begin. Here is the agenda. We start with how to decode any LN session code at site. Then we go module by module, common for master data, sales for the quote to invoice flow, purchase for RFQ to receipt, warehousing for inbound, outbound, and inventory. Next, manufacturing, BOM, routings, work orders, and planning. Then financials, GL, AR, AP, fixed assets, and cash. Service, contracts, calls, and orders. And finally power user sessions, tools, debug, batch, and security. By the end you will know which session to open for any task in LN. Let us decode an LN session code. Take TDSLS 4100 meters 000, that is sales orders. The first two letters are the package, TD means distribution. The next three are the module, SLS means sales. The single digit 4 is the functional area, in this case, orders. 100 is the sequence within the module. The letter M means maintain, other types include S for single, R for report, and D for display. The trailing 000 is the variant suffix. Memorize the package prefixes, TC is common, TT distribution, WH warehousing, TI manufacturing, TF financials, TS service, TP project, and TT tools. Two letters tell you the whole module. Common, or TC, is the spine of LN. Master data lives here. TCMC is 0101 is units, TCMC is 0102 is currencies, TCMC is 0105 is reasons, TCMC is 0136 is countries with their tax and EU flags. TCMC is 0152 is tax codes by country. And TCMC is 0145 is calendars, both working calendars and availability calendars. TCCOM 4100 is the business partner header, the central BP master, and TCCOM 4110 is BP roles, sold to, shipped to, pay by, and so on. And TCIBD 0101 is the item master, general data. Lock these in your head, they are the most open sessions in LN. Sales, the TDSLS family, covers quotation to sales order to invoice. TDSLS 1500 is sales quotations, TDSLS 4100 is sales orders header, and TDSLS 4101 is sales order lines. TDSLS 4211 approves orders in batch, TDSLS 4401 prints the acknowledgement, and TDSLS 4246 releases orders to warehousing. TDSLS 4247 hands off to invoicing in CI. TDSLS 4222 processes delivered SO lines after shipment, and TDSLS 4223 finally moves processed orders to history. Memorize these 8, they cover 90% of the daily sales work in LN. Purchase, the TDPUR family, covers RFQ to purchase order to receipt to invoice. TDPUR 1501 is RFQs, TDPUR 4100 is the purchase order header, and TDPUR 4101 is the PO lines. TDPUR 4201 approves POS where workflow is in use, TDPUR 4400 prints the PO, and TDPUR 4122 releases POS to warehousing for inbound. TDPUR 4435 captures the receipt, TDPUR 4441 processes delivered PO lines, and TDPUR 4499 moves processed POS to history. Same shape as sales, just swap SLS for PUR and you have the procurement playbook. Warehousing, the WH family, covers inbound, outbound, and inventory. WHWMD 2500 is the warehouse master. WHWMD 2110 holds item defaults per warehouse. Win 2100 is warehousing orders. Win 2200 is the lines. Win 4100 is outbound order lines for allocation and picking. And Win 4500 is the shipment header. Win 5200 generates cycle counting orders, and Win 5101 captures and processes the count results. Win 0100 is inventory handling parameters, cycle count tolerances, ABC, and stock point blocking are all set here. Manufacturing, the TI family, covers BOM, routing, work orders, and planning. TIBOM 1110 is the bill of materials header, TRU 1101 is the routing header, and TRU 1102 is the routing operations. This CFC 0101 is the production order header. This CFC 0501 is production order operations. On the planning side, TIMFC 0510 holds order quantities by item group. TIMFC 0501 is the master production schedule, and TIMAP 0501 runs MRP for plan items. And TICPR 1100 is capacity planning, both rough cut and detailed CRP. These 10 sessions cover the heart of LN manufacturing. Financials, the TEF family, covers GL, AR, AP, fixed assets, and cash. TFGLD 0508 is the chart of accounts. TFGLD 1101 records manual journal entries, and TFGLD 4470 processes integration transactions from logistics into finance. TFGLD 1109 finalizes transactions, moving them from unfinalized to final. TFSEP 1110 is open purchase invoices on the AP side. TFAKR 1110 is open sales invoices on AR. TFCMG 2500 is cash transactions for bank receipts and payments. TFFAM 1500 is the fixed asset master, and TFFAM 7250 calculates depreciation each period. Service, the TES family, covers service orders, contracts, and calls. TSMDM 1100 is installations, the installed base or configurations at customer sites. TSMDM 2100 is the serial master. TSOSOC 1100 is the service contract master. TSOSOC 2100 is service calls. TSOSOC 2500 is service order header. And TSOSOC 2502 is the activities on a service order. TSOSOC 4500 is maintenance sales orders, coverage-based work. TSMSC 1101 is maintenance sales contracts. And TSOSOC 2820 processes and closes service orders. If you support after-sales operations in LN, these 10 sessions are your daily tools. Now the power user sessions, the TT family for tools, security, batch, and audit. TAMS 1100 is authorization roles. TAMS 1101 is authorization users. TAR 2500 holds user data, defaults and preferences. TAR 4100 is companies, the company master and settings. TAR 9100 is logical tables for database reference, and TAR 9101 groups those tables by package. TAR 2536 prints the session log or who did what audit. TATATF 2500 is the print sessions reference, the full session catalog. And TATATF 1141 schedules and monitors batch jobs. Master these and you become the go-to person on the team. 4 power user tips to move faster inside LN 10.8. First, Quick Session Open, type the session code into the Run Program prompt and press Ctrl Enter. TDSLS 4100M000 takes you straight to sales orders. Second, save as personal, drag a session into your bookmarks on the LN homepage. Pin the top 10 sessions you use every day. Third, find by description, use the TADF 2500M000, the session catalog, and filter by description, package, or module. Searching for cycle lists every cycle counting session. Fourth, export to Excel. Most LN list sessions support tools. Export to Excel. Use the Excel add-in for write back when bulk editing master data. To wrap up, best practices, memorize the package and module prefix. That is half the battle. Bookmark your top 20 sessions on the LN homepage. Use the TADF 2500M000 to discover sessions you do not know. And always check parameter sessions before configuration. Common pitfalls: confusing M for maintain with S for single sessions, running list sessions in production with no filter and bringing the system to its knees, skipping authorization checks via TAMS 1100M000, and treating the TT Advanced family as developer only. It is for everyone. To learn more, visit docs.info.com/LN, courses.fullomban.com for our LN navigation track, and interview.fullomban.com for session-by-session prep. WhatsApp us at +91 636 059 3122. Thank you for watching.